On the roads, the American flag really whipping around, frequent lightning being seen with this cluster. So seeing the forecast acting out for some, but some areas are completely dry. I do want to show you the radar image of Cumberland County, showing you that torrential rain, a lot of lightning, even a flash flood warning in effect for pretty much all of Cumberland County, including Crossville, Fairfield, Glade, even a flood advisory down into portions of Bledsoe and Ray counties. That flood warning will go through 8:45 p.m. Eastern, so that's 7:45 p.m. Central Time. Here's a look at that rain. We can see how it's kind of training, so heavy rain really staying put, and that's why that flood warning was issued. So if you do live in that section, make sure to heed that warning. Here is a look. Areas east, Knox County, pretty quiet, just a stray shower. Sevier County seeing a downpour, but that kind of looks to be falling apart though. Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg could be seeing some lightning and a little bit of stronger storms making their way into our southeastern Kentucky counties, but I do expect those to kind of fall apart as we go throughout the evening hours. As we zoom out, most are quiet, but the more active spot, definitely the Cumberland Plateau. Doesn't take much for the car to get swept away. Just 6 inches for a person and just 12 inches for a car or SUV. So always make sure to turn around, don't drown when encountering the flooding on those roads. Comfortcast shows tropical moisture once again in place. That's why we're seeing very heavy rain, just so much moisture. And with all that moisture, not much cooling tonight. Here are those morning lows for Monday morning. Mid-70s starting out as we go throughout the day on your Monday. Coverage for showers and storms, a lot less, but we can't rule out a stray shower. Maybe some patchy fog tomorrow morning, just so much moisture with the highs back in the 90s, feeling more like the 100s. So Monday is going to be another hot and humid day for sure, with a chance for a stray shower or storm. Most areas should be staying dry. More than likely, the Knoxville area, Valley area should be mainly dry. It's the Cumberland Plateau, higher terrain of the Smokies. They have a better chance for a stray shower or storm. And if a storm does form, once again, we could see gusty winds, frequent lightning, and the potential for some local flooding. Now our attention does turn to Tuesday into Wednesday, where we are eyeing a strong cold front that looks to move in. Along that cold front, severe storms are possible, damaging winds, flooding, the main concerns, but there will be the potentially for some isolated tornadoes for that Tuesday night into Wednesday time frame. Here's a look at that severe storm threat day 3. We can see a 3 out of 5 to our north, but for us, a good chunk of East Tennessee has a 2 out of 5 slight risk, meaning scattered severe storms are possible. We could see some storms Tuesday afternoon, but I think the timing has been pretty consistent on Tuesday night into Wednesday. We could see this timing change. We're still a few days out, but I think Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, we're going to have to pay a close eye to that radar, because here is that severe storm threat once again, damaging winds and spin up tornadoes along with that flash flood potential. But beyond that cold front, we have the Comfortcast looking a whole lot better. We're seeing that drier air making its way in, and that looks to be a nice change up, especially considering how hot and humid it's been. Right now we're tracking those showers a lot drier tomorrow, but I'm looking forward to next week where we're seeing that drier air making its way in.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely looking forward to some dry. It's just